Hey guys, it's Coach David here with Trading Friends, and I have opened up our Slack group free. So if you've been a member before and you had to pay a monthly membership fee, now Slack is offered to you free, as well as joining our website. It's also free. So the only thing that you'd ever have to pay for is if you wanted to pay for the strategy psychology course, or if you had already taken the strategy psychology course, or you were using other strategies that I approved and you were stuck and needed help. Other than that, everything that I offer is free. I start with 6 free sessions just to make sure that you have the 3 must-haves. Do you have time to learn how to trade? You need to spend about 2 hours a day. Do you have education? In other words, do you know what you're looking for when you're trading, or have you not ever been trained and you don't have any education and you're just floundering around following people on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever, any social media influence, and you're trying to follow those people and you're just not having good success, right? And the third thing you have to have is money. It takes money to trade. I'm just astonished over the number of people that don't understand that you have to have actual money to trade. Trading is not for people that don't have money and they're trying to figure out how to make money. That is called a job. And if you don't have any money, you need to go get a job, right? So trading is for people that have money and they want to turn that into more money. It's the exact same thing as investing, right? Trading and investing are not the same thing, but it's the same mindset. If after you make your house payment, your car payment, pay all your bills, if you got an extra $1,000 a month, you can invest it in a stock, gold, silver, I don't care. Or you can do what I do, and that's trade it. It's more instant gratification than buying a stock, waiting a year, and for it to double. You can invest. You can open your trading account and in 20 days double your balance. So there's a lot of caveats to that. I don't go into it on YouTube here. I do all my my training are private. So book your 6 free classes. The very first class, we're going to kind of lay it all out so that you understand exactly what you're supposed to have, exactly what you're going to have to do, how much time it's going to take. Just very realistic. So you're not setting yourself up for failure right out of the gate, okay? The perfect candidate is for someone that enjoys playing golf, right? Someone that understands there's rules. You have to follow the rules or something bad could happen. You're not going to shoot par every day. You're not going to win every trade, but you're still having fun. You enjoy learning because you get better each time. So golfers, you're a prime candidate. If you have any questions whatsoever, then you can call me, send me a text, shoot me an email, get in our free Slack group and send me a direct message. You can ask other members. I think there's probably 200 over there now. You can ask those members, any of them. I will direct you to the members that's been with me for at least 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. So you have some experienced veterans over there. They won't shoot you wrong. They'll shoot you straight. They'll explain what you need to have. They can probably help you. So we're just a big group of people helping people. And if I can help you, please let me know. Tradingfriends.org. Schedule your first free session. Ask me all the questions you want to ask. Hope to see you soon. Peace.